Yes, Massive and crew, big up everybody for doing the Kickstarter project. All the questions answered. This is the new Brain t-shirt. Exclusive, as you can see, it says limited edition down the bottom there. An exclusive colour on white. And it's also the biggest Brain print we've done. This is a double XL t-shirt. Look at the size of the print. It's absolutely massive. Big up to all the Brain people out there. Big up to all the Massive who have supported us. Big up Brain. Limited edition. Take a look. So let's answer the questions on the t-shirts. We're giving away the t-shirts there along with some of the pledges. So check it out. Also the record bags will be put out shortly.